Para sa mga workaholic, para sa'yo to. Merong sikat na author akong pinafollow ngayon. His name is Dr. Gay Vermate. And he wrote a book about traumas. He said that kids are narcissistic by nature. Kapag nakikita nila yung parents nila na hindi masaya. So for example, nakita mo yung mama mo na unhappy, tapos wala kang magawa. It sends a message to them that they are not worthy or that they are not good enough para maging masaya ka. Since nakatanim to sa bata, they will spend their whole lives trying to prove to themselves that they are worthy or good enough. At nung nalaman ko yon, nagkaroon ako ng aha moment. Now I know bakit sobra-sobra ako magtrabaho. Kasi nung bata ko, nakikita ko yung mama ko na umiiyak. Lagi siya umiiyak because of my dad. And my dad, kumbaga nagkaroon siya ng ibang family. So naiwan kami sa relatives. So it sent a message to me na hindi ako good enough. And when I became older, yung mga ibang tao nasasabi sa akin na, "Teen, puro ka trabaho, wala ka ng time sa amin." At hindi ko maintindihan, kala ko normal lang na talagang pag career-oriented ka, talagang trabaho lang talaga. At nung nalaman ko to, naiintindihan ko na. I spent my whole life trying to prove that I am enough. Ikaw, ganun ka din ba?